Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Kandai Karen Manyana and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make this lovely wall art piece that I saw on Pinterest and thought, hey, damn, I should try this out. So yeah, thank you guys for all the support that you've constantly been showing me, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. Also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post and upload a new video. So this was one of the most interesting things that I've done so far because it was so easy, like just that easy. So to begin with, you're gonna cut out 10 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Right, you're gonna cut out triangles, rectangles, I mean, my bad. You're gonna cut out rectangles of 10 centimeters by 15 centimeters, and you're gonna fold them through and then place the glue at the end and close it up. So that's the circle you're creating. So it's just 10 centimeters by 15 centimeters and rolling it through. Then you create
from all my sins by the power of your love. You are the bread of life. You are awesome. You are awesome. You do big things for me. This is certified. Chimwene chimwe chinenguva yacho kutambura kwese kuchapfura Zichanaka Usarase chitendero chako Usarase kunamata kwako Asishingirira Oh Asibatirira
So, you would normally use, on this portion, you normally use a mirror, but I didn't have a big mirror that could fit into that circle. So I decided to use a blank CD, which I spray painted prior to this. And then I put the small mirror at the center, the small mirror I had. So you could just leave it as a blank CD. You could put the mirror, you could put a big mirror. I didn't have a big mirror, so I just worked with what was big, what was readily available. So to neaten the sides, the edges, I used these pebbles that I found at home, courtesy of my mom. Thank you, Mom. Okay, so yeah, I used the pebbles and just put them right round. You can crochet, you can use a crocheted thread and place it right round, or you can put pearls, you can put beads, or everything you have accessible at home. So I just used this and I thought it came out nice. Thank you guys for supporting, liking, sharing, doing the most. Please carry on, continue, okay? We're about to grow this channel into something big, and we've got more content that's coming your way. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Enjoy the rest of your day.